how financial markets work.
If you are going to learn to trade, you first need to understand the playing field. What is a financial market? A financial market is a place, usually digital, where people all over the world buy and sell assets like currencies, as in Forex, the foreign exchange market where traders buy and sell currency pairs. The stocks, shares of publicly traded companies that represent ownership. And cryptocurrencies, digital or virtual currencies secured by cryptography. But it is not just about transactions, it's about millions of decisions happening at the same time. The essence of price movement. The price of any asset is simply the result of agreement between the buyers and sellers at a specific moment. It is just supply and demand. How prices move. If more people want to buy than sell, price goes up. So this is more buyers than sellers. If more people want to sell than buy, price goes down. So this is more sellers than buyers. If this class is bringing you value, hit that like button. It helps more traders find this free content. So let's talk about the main markets traders focus on. Let's look at the 3 most popular for retail traders. The Forex market, the foreign exchange market. Here, you trade currency pairs like Euro, USD, dollar, or USD dollar, Japanese yen. It is the most liquid market in the world, open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This is the largest financial market globally. And Forex is over $6 trillion daily trading volume. $6 trillion. It is accessible to retailer traders with minimal capital. Then we have the stocks market. Here you buy shares of companies like Apple, Amazon, Tesla. You profit when the company and its stock price grows. It is basically ownership in publicly traded companies. On top of that, there's the potential for dividends, of course, capital appreciation as the stock increases in value. But remember, all of this is influenced by the company's performance and overall market sentiment. Now let's talk about cryptos. These are the digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This market never sleeps. It's open 24/7 all day, every day. We're talking about decentralized digital assets. Yes, crypto is known for its high volatility, but that is also what creates trading opportunities. It is accessible globally without intermediaries. Other financial markets. Besides Forex, stocks, and crypto, you will also hear about other financial markets, for example, commodities. Physical goods like gold, oil, or what traded on exchanges. Then you've got bonds, basically government or corporate debt instruments with fixed returns. There are also indices, a collection of stocks like the best 500 companies, S&P 500 or Nasdaq, that track market segments. And finally, derivatives. These are the financial contracts like futures and options based on underlying assets. Now, don't worry, you don't need to master all of them to start. We focus on what matters most for you right now, Forex. This is not just a price war, it is a reflection of human behavior. And if you find this helpful, was this helpful for you, if you've got questions or maybe a key takeaway that stood out, drop it in the comments. I read every single one and I love to talk with you below. So, what actually drives price movement? Every single move you see on the chart is a reaction to something. It could be news, economic reports, company announcement, and or global events. Sometimes it is just rumors, market speculations, or what people think might happen next. And don't forget the emotions, fear, greed, and all those psychological factors that push traders into action. Then you've got big institutions, banks, hedge funds, and a corporation placing massive orders that move the market in a single click. And finally, us, the traders. Thousands of traders, all trying to outsmart each other in real time. The market is not your enemy. It is not out to get you. Instead, it's a mirror, a reflection of how people think, feel, and react in real time. So why does price move? At the core, it all comes down to one thing: supply and demand. If demand is greater than supply, prices rise. If supply is greater than demand, prices fall. That's it. It is not about indicators or prediction, it is just constant battle between buyers and sellers. Here's supply and demand in action. When more buyers enter the market, they absorb the available supply and prices get pushed higher. But when more sellers step in, they overwhelm demand and that drives prices lower. So what does a trader actually do? Your job isn't to predict the future. Your real job is to spot those moments where the odds are in your favor. You are looking for signs that buyers or sellers are starting to take control, and then you make logical, structured decisions based on that. At the core, trading really comes down to one thing: spotting market imbalances. That is the essential skill of a trader, and it's exactly what we'll build together in the next lessons. If this class opened your eyes to how market work, make sure to subscribe, because in the next class I walk you through the Forex market from A to Z, what it is, how it works, and why it is the most powerful market for retail traders like you. We will start by trading with purpose, understanding markets and learning the fundamental of financial markets and price movement. Then we will go into a full Forex dive, exploring the world's largest market and its opportunities. And finally, we'll work on building your trading strategy, developing a structured approach to market analysis. Stop guessing. If you are ready to stop guessing and start trading with purpose, check out the FBN Trading Master Plan. You will find the link in the description below. Basically, FBN Trading Master Plan. Inside the FBN Trading Master Plan, here's what you will get. First, a step-by-step structure, a clear roadmap to develop your trading skill systematically. Second, one-on-one mentorship, personal guidance, 24/7 guidance to speed up your learning curve and help you avoid the most common pitfalls that cost traders time and money. Third, mindset training, psychological tools designed to keep you disciplined, consistent, and in control of your emotions. And finally, a private trader community. You will connect with like-minded traders, share insight, and get the kind of support that keeps you accountable and motivated way easier. Remember, you don't have to figure this out alone. Trading is a journey best taken with guidance and community support. So if you are serious about this, I'll see you inside. Check out the FBM Trading Master Plan. The link is in the description. The market moves with purpose. The market doesn't move randomly. It moves with pressure, with patterns, and with purpose. Learn to read it, and you will stop trading blind. So remember to subscribe to this channel, click the bell so you will get the notification when a new video is uploaded, so you won't miss any free class. So see you inside, see you in the next class. Trade and slay.